I'm going to actually go into the HVAC inspection table. As you can see, it sent the record that Matthew just submitted directly into Quickbase because we had already previously set up that connection between them. I'm going to view this record and see that I've got all these details. I've got these photos that he identified. I have his comments. And then I can also see, if I dive a little bit deeper, there's a repair task. I can see the snapshots. I can see the parts that he ordered. Everything's here, right? And what's cool is at this point, I can go ahead and approve this repair. And that is going to trigger a pipeline that's been previously built that's connected to this form. And it's going to send out a dispatch to Matthew. Now I'm actually Matthew. I'm going to kind of cut this part out just for time, but essentially it's going to send an email directly to Matthew, and it'll send him a FastField web app form that he would be able to fill out and approve. But essentially it's the same thing, similar to what we've already demonstrated. And I'm not going to show the pipeline, but mostly because I actually don't have access. My boss built this pipeline and I haven't been able to get in there and edit it. But just to show you kind of that flow, it shows all different types of capabilities, sending this data to Quickbase, filling out the data within FastField, and I think it probably demonstrates a lot of the capability that you can have between FastField and Quickbase.